Introduction to malware. Getting started with the introduction, what is malware? Simply put, malware is the blend of two distinct words, malicious plus software. Malware can be classified as well as categorized. Beginning with the classification, malware can be classified into two types, namely user mode malware and kernel mode malware. This can be further explained with the help of protection rings, which are nothing but the layers of privileges within the architecture of the computer system. Protection rings are organized in a hierarchical form, starting from ring 0, which is the most privileged layer, to ring 3, which is the least privileged layer. The intermediary rings 1 and ring 2 are comprised of the drivers that facilitate communication between ring 0 and 3. The one targeting ring 0 is termed as kernel mode malware. For instance, let us have a look on this system that consists of applications such as VLC, Notepad and MS Office, etc. on top of OS. When the kernel mode malware corrupts the kernel program that controls the MS Office application, the link between the application and the OS is broken. None of the existing files or any new instances related to the MS Office application, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., can be accessed. The one targeting ring 3 is called user mode malware. When this malware affects a Word application file, it results in corruption only of those infected files. This clearly means that an existing Word file can be accessed, or a new instance of the same Office application can be created without any hindrance. Having learned about how malware is classified, let us move into categorizing malware. Categorization of malware. Malware can be categorized into 4 groups, namely virus, worm, trojan, and backdoor.